It's Caleb with OC Specialty Coatings, and today in this video we're going to teach you how to mix epoxy. We're going to show you the right way to do it and to make sure that you get the best results.
Okay guys, in this video we're going to show you how to properly mix up 100% solids epoxy. Things to avoid so that you get your product in and out of the bucket very, very quickly so that we don't have anything kick off or exotherm on you while it's still in the pot. Here we go. Alright guys, you can see I've already poured out the A. This is a simple 2-to-1 mix ratio. I've poured out 32 ounces of A. I'm going to add 16 ounces of B. Drill stir this up and we'll get to work. So I'm going to drill this for approximately 90 seconds. About halfway through, I'm going to scrape the sides with my stick. Remember, you never want to leave your epoxy in the bed of a truck heating up, sitting in the sun somewhere, or even in a shaded area outside when the temperature is over 100 degrees. Your epoxy can still get extremely hot inside the container, and by the time you mix it up, it'll start to kick off right away. So key ingredient here is to try and keep your core temperature of your epoxy as cool as possible right up to the minute that you mix it. Okay, we're good to go. We'll come back and we'll spread it out.
Thanks for watching our video on how to mix epoxy. The number one thing you need to remember now that you've seen how to mix it is to get it out of the bucket. The number one mistake that we see from most contractors and do-it-yourselfers is letting the epoxy sit in the bucket too long. So once you've got it mixed up properly, get it dumped out on the floor immediately, squeegee it, back roll it, and chip it as fast as you can to ensure good success with the chips adhering to the epoxy.
Thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate your support. Here at OC Specialty Coatings, we're a one-stop shop for all of your coatings needs. All of the tools or products you see in this video we have available for purchase, either in-store or we can ship it directly to you nationwide. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, we're here to help you guys and we have a solution for every surface.